how to download Netflix app. So if you want to download Netflix app, then first of all you need to check your internet connection. And after checking your internet connection, now you need to open up your Play Store or your App Store, and then you can go for the search bar and search for Netflix. And after searching, here you will have the application. You can simply tap on that install button, and it may take some time depending on your data or your Wi-Fi connection to download. And once you've downloaded, you can simply tap on that open, which is on the right side. And from here you can log into your account or you can create an account. So that's it. That's how you download Netflix. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.